Students, you are most welcomed in this new class, in this new session. Today, I shall teach you about the lesson The Fun They Had. The author of this lesson is Isaac Asimov, and theme of the story. The present story unfolds the picture of future schools, where the mechanical teacher will teach the students and books will be meaningless. Actually, the students will learn only from e-books and class tests will be conducted online. The internet will have wide applications and the students like history and geography will study, and they will also study difficult subjects, geography and history. They will get the hard books only kept in the library. Of course, this future school will be quite different from our present school and the old school. Short summary of the lesson. This story deals with a boy and a girl, Tommy and Margie. They find out something about the school of the past on 17th May 2157. Tommy, a 13-year-old boy, finds a real book in the attic which has been printed on paper. Tommy and Margie both take a look at it. According to Margie's grandfather's grandfather, all books were printed on paper. Tommy thinks it was a waste to have a book printed on paper. Tommy thinks TV screens are better. Margie hates schools and does not understand why someone would write about school. Margie has problems about learning geography from her mechanical teacher. So, it is rebuilt by the county inspector. Margie hates doing her homework. The county inspector says that Margie's progress is satisfactory. Margie asks Tommy why anybody would write about a school. Tommy replies that it existed centuries ago. Margie is surprised to know that back in the older days, a real man used to be the teacher. Tommy says that teachers did not live in the house and the kids went to a special building to learn. Their mother believes that each teacher has to be fitted to each child's mind. Mrs. Jones tells them that it is time to go to school. The schoolroom is next to Margie's bedroom. The mechanical teacher asks for Margie's homework. Margie thinks about a time when teachers were people and students had real fun in those schools. Thank you.